Welcome back to the checkout guide. In this tutorial, I will tell you how you can create an issue gift card in Shopify. So if you're new to the channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So for this, you need to go to the product section, click on gift cards, then click on create gift card. You can enter the gift card code here. You can enter the initial value. If you want, then you can set the expiration date here. Then you can search or create any customer to assign. Then save your changes. Now we will send that particular gift card to the customer. Click on send gift card. So here you can see gift card is visible. Then click on send email. You can see email has been sent. Now we will test this setup on our online store. Go to catalog. By the way, if you're liking this video, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Select any product. Proceed to checkout. You can add that particular customer's email ID. Enter the address. Then you can enter the gift card code here and click on apply. So here you can check gift card has been applied and you have issued that particular gift card to the customer. So that's it. You have successfully set up how you can create and issue gift card to your customer. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy selling.